Treat wrinkles and fine lines with home remedies. Lack of elasticity and moisture in the skin leads to wrinkles. Aging and some environmental changes are the main reasons for this. However, now estimated that they can appear even in your mid-20s. A hectic lifestyle, stress, insufficient sleep, lack of skincare routine, and poor diet are commonly responsible for skin damage that manifests as wrinkles. Compared to the rest of the body, the skin on the face is the thinnest and most delicate. That's why facial wrinkles are common. Creases around the mouth, on the forehead, and around the eyes are common. With age, wrinkles also appear on the hands, feet, chest, and neck. Even if you don't want surgery or the popular Botox treatment, you'll still want to eliminate fine lines and wrinkles. Natural and safe home remedies can help you in these situations. The solutions are cheap and easy to implement. The best news is that there aren't many side effects associated with these home wrinkle treatments. Both young and old can benefit from these methods to keep their skin looking healthy and youthful. There are several ways to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and here are some of them. 1. Protect your skin from the sun. 2. Moisturize your skin. 3. Quit smoking. 4. Get enough sleep. 5. Stay hydrated. Here are some home remedies for skin wrinkles. 1. Use grapeseed extract for wrinkles. Massage the affected area with a few drops of grapeseed oil or grapeseed extract. As long as you can, leave it on for a few minutes before washing it off. 2. Apple cider vinegar for fine lines. Take 1 tablespoon each of honey and apple cider vinegar. Apply a mixture of vinegar and honey on your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then pat yourself dry. Use a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. 3. Avocado to reduce wrinkles. Take an avocado, peel it, and remove the pit. Get a smooth paste by mashing the pulp. 20 to 30 minutes before getting in the shower, apply this to the skin. Twice a week, do this again. 4. Olive oil. Another natural and powerful home remedy for wrinkles is olive oil. Apply a few drops of this oil to your skin and massage the area before going to bed. When you wake up, your skin will be silky, soft. 5. Use shea butter for wrinkles. Apply organic shea butter on the affected area and gently massage it in a circular motion. After bathing every day, it is best. It increases skin elasticity and encourages collagen formation. 6. Bananas. The nutritional benefits of bananas fight wrinkle-causing factors. Make a paste of 2 bananas. Apply it on your face, leave it on for 30 minutes, and wash it off. It also works well if you mix it with some avocado and honey. 7. Use black seeds oil for wrinkles. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon, and 1/8 teaspoon black seed oil. Apply the mixture of these 2 oils to the affected area every night. Avoid washing it for at least a few hours. Black seed oil is used in the Middle East and Southeast Asia for its therapeutic effects. It contains a wide range of phytochemicals that are good for the body and skin. 8. Papaya mask. Vitamin C and enzymes in papaya reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Ripe papayas can be mashed and used to make a mask for your face. After 10 to 15 minutes of applying the mask, wash your face with warm water and pat dry.